Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. So guys, these are the votes. These are the votes, guys. Like, I don't know, but I don't know, wait again, I don't know, why do you guys do like this? Why did you guys do like this? But Sana, please note, these are not the final votes, they are still counting. So this was an update. Like, Umalima, I thought maybe he was going to be number 2, and then at some point I thought he was going to be number 1. But to be number 3, guys, to be number 3, you guys gave him so much hope. Like, almost half of the country, they have joined EFF, guys. Why me so? Why are you guys hypocrites? And I'm sure others were there wearing the EFF t-shirts, but they signed, they voted for Ukongolos, ANC. You know, you guys are just so untrustworthy. Hey, and for the DA to be number 2, I don't want to say anything. Because they will start saying that I said something. But for the DA to be number 2, guys, hey, Nina, danger gefar. This is danger. And like, you don't see a lot of people wearing DA t-shirts and all of that. But for it to be number 2, it's really surprising. Hey, then MK number 4, but this is not the final. As I said, MK was on number 4. As in AKZN, they really came through for Jacob Zuma. Hey, they really came through, and it has won on that other side. It has won. So at least they are together in this. They are together, you can just tell. Then KPA, it was number 5. Then guys, there's a lot of parties now, VF Class, I don't even know this one, Kesana. Then there's IFP, guys, Inkatha Freedom Party. This political party is not that famous anymore, but it used to be famous. Then this was the newly updated after the first one. After the first one that I just read, this was the second one, the newly updated from that one, but it's still not the final. They are still counting, guys. Relax on. But by the look of things, I think we all know Guti, which party has won. But we will see. So with the newly updated, also the ANC was still on number 1, the DA on number 2, then EFF on number 3, followed by MK. Guys, why is